Hi there, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video you will learn how you can access the community inside the Deberoo platform.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.
Alright, here we are at the dashboard of the Deberoo platform, and in this video you will learn how you can access the community inside the Deberoo platform. So the community is the place where all affiliates inside the Deberoo platform can connect with each other. Whether you are a rookie or a very experienced super affiliate, everybody can connect with each other inside the community. So you can use it to ask questions, to share your results, or maybe do a campaign review and let other people follow along with your campaign results. So to access the community, first we need to go to the tab Community, all the way at the top right here, and then click on Community, of course. You will now be brought to the community where you can write, read, or reply to specific topics. All of these different topics are sorted by category. So first we have the introductions, just to get to know each other a little bit better. Then we have the traffic sources, some reviews and recommendations, as well as some technical topics. So simply browse through the topics where you have some questions or shoot in a new topic in the appropriate category to get an answer on your questions. You now know how to access and how to utilize the community.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.